Hey there, tech-savvy friends. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down the latest app tricks to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to view your full debit card number on the Greenlight app in 2025. If you've ever felt frustrated trying to access this info for online shopping, bill payments, or just double-checking details, you're in the right place. This quick guide is straightforward and secure, so let's jump right in. First things first, ensure you're using the most up-to-date version of the Greenlight app. In 2025, Greenlight has rolled out enhanced security features, so head to your device's app store, search for Greenlight, and hit that update button if needed. Once that's done, open the app and log in with your usual credentials, username, password, and maybe a two-factor authentication code for extra safety. Now, navigate to the main menu. You'll typically find a section labeled Cards or Accounts. Tap on that to see your linked debit cards. Select the specific card you want to view details for. Greenlight makes this simple with clear icons and labels. Next, look for an option that says View Card Details, Show Full Number, or something similar. This might be under a settings icon or a dedicated button on the card page. Before it reveals the full number, the app will likely prompt you to verify your identity. This could involve entering a PIN, using facial recognition, or confirming via a text message. It's all about keeping your info protected. Once verified, your full debit card number will pop up on the screen. Take a moment to note it down or screenshot it if allowed, but remember to handle sensitive information carefully to avoid any risks. In 2025, Greenlight emphasizes privacy, so if you don't see the option, double-check your app settings for any restrictions. And there you have it. That's how you access your full debit card number on the Greenlight app. This process is quick, usually taking less than a minute once you're familiar with it. If you run into any issues, reach out to Greenlight's support or check their help center for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, smash that like button, subscribe for more handy tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.